Ever since the company was started in 2014, we would gather together once a year. And what was interesting about this work trip was that it wasn't a work trip. It was about getting to know each other, and it was about hanging out and building that sense of community. And so when COVID came around and we no longer could do that, we sort of lost that connective tissue between our distributed teams.
The idea came to me about recreating the office. As soon as I knew that Frame could build a custom environment, it had to be that. It was always that.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You just got an Oculus Quest 2 headset.
Wow.
The process was really working with the photos of the office, the video footage of the real world office, and then really piecing the office together bit by bit.
I remember coming into the environment and I couldn't get more than a few words out. I saw our mural first on the wall, like recreated, and I was pretty much speechless.
This looks exactly like it.
This is awesome, eh?
Wow.
This is crazy.
This is so detailed.
Seeing the office for the first time in VR, was very memorable, and my first instinct was, holy crap, the detail.
I think the real difference is how real it all felt. And the spatial audio plays such a key part of it, because you're having your conversation, but you're also hearing over your left shoulder conversations of other colleagues.
Welcome to
Hello.
Trello Together. How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Very well, thanks. Welcome to the New York office.
Oh, it's so good to be here.
What was great about this was it was a 95% approval rating for everything. It was just an absolute monster success.
So ultimately it all felt real, and in that way brought us all together, I think, in a really different and unique way that I haven't been able to recreate anywhere else.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's good. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, this is the dance party room, clearly.